Alright, Ralph Fanning Adventures, Port Clinton, PA, headquarters, Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern. Alright, so this is a walking tour. There's the mechanical building, maintenance away shed, one of the awesome pieces of power that Andy owns, 3056. And you pan to the left, you got the Appalachian Trail right there. That's part of the property. And then the yard. Old switching tower, our signal tower, our signal bridge. Apologize. Cool thing is, this is actually coal from the mines here. A lot of great signs coming in. Big, huge pieces of coal. Yeah. These are the shop tracks here. The main is kind of in the middle there. And then in the background you got the diesel shops over there. More of the power. And then the old Norfolk and Southern F units. You got an A and a B unit there that were NS's. Now they are Andes, and I believe they're hooked up to the office car special. We're gonna walk over there real quick. They started working on the wheel trimming shop. It's gonna be between the main line and the steam shop, or turntable lead-in. Oh, here's a Dow. DOWX, Dow Chemical covered hop cylinder, whatever you want to call it. As you're walking, this is employee parking here to the left. The Schuylkill River's just beyond the tree line there. Right here is the next set of cars that my friend Tyson and Nathan will be painting. Get rid of the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway will be no more. They'll all be Reading and Northern. And there she is. So you F unit 270, 275, the B unit. Again, these were Norfolk and Southern's office car AB units. Now they're Andes. And here we go. I'm getting pictures of this now because in the next day or two, these will no longer be blue. As you can see, this is where Tyson and Nathan are painting, and they're good friends of mine. I tried to catch them while they were here because I knew they were going to be working on this, stripping them down, going to be repainted. Again, for all of you that don't know, Tyson and Nathan are the painters here. In the background behind this is what we call the office car special. It's Andy's personal cars. The Black Diamond being underneath the building here, the office building. And this is what Tyson and Nathan were working on today. It will be repainted to match all the other cars. No more blue. No more blue. Can't wait to see what he has in store for this one. How's it going, boss? Tyson and Nate, they do a great job painting here. They work really hard. It's hard to paint this stuff outside. For all of you that never had to paint steel or metal out in the heat and with the bugs and trees and things landing on it as you're painting it, and then humidity and rain and everything else. It is a difficult job to do. But from previously posted pictures and stuff, you can see he does a bang up job, phenomenal job. The newly painted engine. A lot of the open air cars, the red ones, are what he painted during the winter and beginning of the summer. And this is the next one he's working on right here. Followed by this 213, that'll be the next one too. So, something new to look forward car-wise on the Reading and Northern from Tyson and Nathan. And the rest of the paint crew here at Reading and Northern in Port Clinton. Again, there's the B and the A unit. And that was Norfolk and Southern's office car. Special engines. They had an A, B, B, A. And Andy got an A and a B unit. Repainted them. Again, Tyson and Nathan painted these. And they are simply beautiful. Everybody was complaining about the paint scheme. You know what? Not your railroad. When you own a railroad, you can paint whatever you want. So, guys, if you come here, all you gotta do is sign in, go through the front door there in that building right there. Sign in, you get a visitor's pass, and you're more than welcome to walk around, take photographs and stuff. There's no smoking on any Reading and Northern property. Okay, that's number one. Number two, there's a 10-mile-an-hour speed limit on all Reading and Northern property. All right, and they ask that when equipment is moving, you stay off the tracks. All right, so don't walk on the tracks when they're working in the yard or moving equipment. You know, the guys here at Reading and Northern are very friendly. Everybody usually says hi, smiles, tell you what's going on. But again, no smoking on the property, no speeding on the property. Stay out of the way of moving vehicles. Stay away from moving equipment. Be friendly, respectful, and wave. Say hi to everyone. You might even run into Andy Muller, the owner of Reading and Northern, or some of his family. They're here a lot. There's always power here. There's always something going on here. Another great spot to visit on the in Reading and Northern is both Jim Thorpe, Tamaqua, Schuylkill Haven's cool to go to, watch, which is Cressona Yard. So just like I said, make sure you check in at the office, get your visitor's badge. You know, be polite when you're here. No smoking on property, all right? It says it right there. Look, no smoking. Policy prohibits the use of tobacco products, okay? You are not allowed to smoke on property. Speed limit here is 10 miles an hour, says it right there. Police your trash, be kind, and you'll have a great time visiting Reading and Northern. Like I said, I can't say enough nice things about these guys. I like coming here and hanging out with them. Located right here along the Schuylkill River. All right, their line is very scenic. You get a chance, take a train ride at a Jim Thorpe, go up through the Lehigh Gorge. It's beautiful. And I always post, you know, upcoming events and stuff for them. So does Albert Eckert, a few other fans, Ryan Bruno and stuff for this railroad. So just be respectful while you're here, and you'll have a great time. Once you sign in the office there, you can go back across the bridge here. I usually park out in the street just to stay out of the way. You're more than welcome to park in visitors parking. But walk across the street, and on the other side is the turntable along with the steam shop. That's where 2102, the Reading T1, is being rebuilt. 475 parks in there when she's here. And check that out. They are very close to being finished on the 2102 project. And of course, Rail Fanning Adventures will be out on the line somewhere to catch that beautiful machine running. It's going to be very crazy and hectic here. I'm sure it's going to draw a lot of rail fans from around the country to see her move. So with that being said, guys, this was a walking tour of Reading and Northern's ground facilities, where to go to sign in, rules and stuff here, and come out here, come see this. It's one of the best railroads the rail fan on. They run trains all the time. The West Hazelton fast freight that comes down always has a caboose at the end of it. He has several cabooses. That train comes down with a caboose on the end because up there they got to back down into the yard to cut down here. So cool train to see. They still run freight with a caboose at the end. That's kind of cool. Come and see it. And I'm going to finish with this sign right here. Thanks for visiting. Thanks for following us here, Rail Fanning Adventures. Again, this video will be posted on YouTube. Please give us a like and share and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. This is Rich Bernardin, the founder of Rail Fanning Adventures. And I hope to catch you trackside. Later.